This video, I'm going to show you how you can attach your keyboard on your laptop. So I have here a keyboard that has been removed from my laptop and I'd like to attach it back. So I want to show you how you can fix this keyboard to your laptop. So to get started, all you need to do is to have your keyboard and make sure that first you fix this cord. This is a keyboard flex that is attached to the motherboard. And as you can see, we have a space here that is usually attached to the motherboard. And first you make sure that you are holding the keyboard in the right direction with this space bar facing down. So the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and clip it. So once it is fixed in its place, first we have these hooks on top here. So go ahead and attach these hooks on their place. And here we go. The hooks have been attached. Now we also have other hooks on the keyboard that normally clips the keyboard on this upper side and also on the sideways. Go ahead and lower your keyboard and then pressing each and every part, and you'll see the clipping noise. That means the hooks are being clipped. And here we go. It is done. Great. Now that has been fixed. Now the next thing you need to do is to go ahead, if you had removed any screws from the back, that screws from back to your keyboard, go ahead and screw them and you'll be done. So that's how you can fix your keyboard, or how you can mount your keyboard back to your laptop. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.